Thank you again, guys, for supporting us in 2020. All the ones who have supported us, you know who you are, and we greatly appreciate that. I can't say that enough. We've had one heck of a year here at Vapor Honing Technologies. We have built an incredible team. We had a very rocky start to 2020. We had so many orders, could not fulfill them all quick enough. It was a great problem to have, don't get me wrong. But we soon outpaced ourselves at the beginning of 2020. Some of you guys suffered from that. You might be watching, but we appreciate you sticking in there with us. But we're really excited about what's coming, in 2021 for sure. We have a lot of good stuff going on. But the big thing, I think one of the reasons I wanted to create this video tonight is I really wanted to start going more in depth with you guys on the journey that I've had for the past 9 years. I've been doing this now, it'll be 10 years this year, I guess. And this has been one heck of a ride. There's a lot of people that really want to look at this whole organization and all the products that we have and all the people that we have and the market share and all that, and they want to look at that and they want to make light of that, and that's not okay with me. This has been a very tough journey, but one of the reasons I wanted to start open up to you guys a little bit is hopefully encourage you guys to do the same thing. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of challenging times. There's a lot of growing pains for sure, like I mentioned earlier, but there's a lot of great people that you meet. You get to build a great team, and things become more fun each and every day. And I have one heck of a team here. Every one of these guys work their butts off every single day, like I do as well. And it's kind of a work ethic that we share as a group. It's something that I've shared with them for many years now. You're never going to go anywhere in life if you don't put in the effort and you don't put in the work. Things just don't happen. You don't magically wake up one day and have a business. If you do, good for you. You've been one lucky person, I'll tell you that. But it's been a fun journey. We appreciate having you guys along, and we're super stoked. But I hope to be an inspiration to you guys in 2021. And I hope this company is for you. I hope it helps you grow your business or start a business or enjoy your hobby more. That's one of the big things that we get a lot of joy from as salespeople. I know some people hate the salesperson word. I'm just going to ramble a little bit here. But salespeople are essential, and they help you get what you need. Sometimes you guys mislead yourselves, and we're here to help you not do that. We're here to help you make the right decisions. But again, hopefully me and the team here at Vapor Honing Technologies this year is going to be here to support you in your growing business. You guys know about all the options and things we have, trade-up options, lifetime warranties, things that this industry has never seen before, and I'm here to tell you we back it every single day. I have replaced more parts in the last 2 years. Well, not more, but we have replaced parts more in the last 2 years because we have a lot of equipment out there in the world. But hey, we're super happy and excited to be able to support you in your business, right? And help you grow. So I'm here to tell you 100% that I'm certainly here for you, and I'm glad that you guys have been here for me and this whole team. I'm speaking for them. They're all super happy to have you guys supporting and on board, and there's been a lot of bad this year and a lot of negativity, but there's a lot of great people we meet every day, whether it's in person here at the factory or over the phone or the internet and emails. But again, thanks for supporting us this year. Hopefully I can be more of an inspiration to you guys moving forward in 2021. Hopefully I have in the past, and hopefully I've helped grow your business along with my team here at Vapor Honing Technologies. As always, keep watching for more updates, more content to come. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do that. Over 80% of our audience have not subscribed to this channel, and I'm not exactly sure why. We continue to release content daily, so please do that. It certainly helps us out, and we appreciate that. But as always, take care. We'll see you next time.